Hi, this is Mary with Reviewer's Diary. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Oh, crooked here. It's actually the table. Or the camera, I don't know. But anyway, I'm trying to keep it straight, not that easy. So anyway, this is my June Allure Beauty Box. I figured that it's the end of June, I better tape this before the July box comes. So anyway, this is a June box. We did get to pick an item. First, let me get this out. We did get to pick an item for our box, and it's Christophe Robin, which is actually a product line that I really like. I really wanted the curl cream, but it was gone by the time I went on to pick. You know, people must have just been waiting for the clock to tick by and hit bang and got it all. But anyway, I did want the curl cream because I have wavy, very wavy hair. But this is really nice, so I look forward to it. I do use leave-in sprays, so this is something I'll definitely use, which is good. I wonder if they put the value of that in there. Oops, there's one other weird thing. A lot of people didn't like getting that, but I love getting that. Okay, let's see what the book says. Oh, it just shows all of them. The aloe vera mist is $39, so it's a $39 value, and paid very much for this box. Okay, and I will try this Face Reality. It's more for oilier skin types, I think. It's $35. This is full size. Actually, it says it doesn't dry you out. I have that weird skin that breaks out sometimes and sometimes doesn't, but yeah, a drier skin that's not oily, I don't know. I have a combination skin, I guess is what you would call it. So I will give that a try. If it's too strong for me, my daughter's friend would probably really enjoy that. Okay, a lot of people said they had never heard of Floss. I have heard of Floss, and I have Floss products I really like. They're not a new brand. Anyway, this is a new product to me, is their Floss Beauty Rise Above Lengthening Mascara. I'm always all for checking these types of things out. Even though I do have really long eyelashes, but they're blonde, like bunny rabbit eyelashes. So anyway, that's a good thing to get. The next thing, and this is full size, believe it or not. Yeah, it's 60 mLs, and 60 mLs is the, oh, 20 ml included in the box. Okay, so it's not full size then. Some people said this was full size, and it's actually not. According to the book, it says it's $16 for a 60 ml box. That's approximately 2 ounces. And 20 ml is included in this box. So this is a 20 ml spray. But this is a brand that I really enjoy. Their body serum particularly. It's not real oily oil, and it's really nice on your skin. So I'll enjoy this. This is a face spray. So yeah. Face mists always make me happy. Although I have to say I was not thrilled with this box. I hate to admit that because, you know, I belong to it for a year now. So anyway, this is Belif True Cream Aqua Bomb Moisturizer. This is 10 mLs. It's normally $38 for 50 ml, so we got a nice little travel / sample size. So I can't buy it because it's not cruelty free anymore. It was in the past, but then they started selling in China, and then forever lost me as a purchasing customer. My skin was never in better shape though when except for when I used the Belif Ritual with everything, including the essence. But I can't buy it anymore, and so, yeah. Anyway, these are Phase It Ingrown Hair Bikini Patches. I've heard people are using these sometimes on their underarms. This is $19.99 for 12 patches, and 6 patches were included in the box. So, yeah, this is travel size, I guess. But the rate that I would use these, they'll last me forever. I do, as I've gotten older, get ingrown hairs more frequently, so I will use them. Maybe I've managed to fend off the ingrown hairs for a while now, but if I get one, I'll definitely use this. So this is handy, and it's handy if you have a friend who's got one and they just can't take it anymore. You can always give them one of these patches. But anyway, it's 6 patches. The ingredients are hydrocolloid, azalea acid, niacinamide, vitamin C, and lactic acid and glycerin. Those are all, the lactic acid in particular and the azelaic acid are probably the most effective things in a product like this. So anyway, this is a pretty good box, but it's not my favorite. This is a huge face wash. It's really huge. Yeah, 6 ounces. Takes me a while to get through a 6-ounce face wash. Cruelty-free and vegan. Definitely worth a try. This Tidal Rose, I'll start putting this into my trying all the things and get started with trying that. The Belif cream, I'll use it up on my legs or something. It is nice on your face, but it's not a very heavy moisturizer. This I'll start using pretty rapidly, but not right now. I'm going through a hairspray leave-in right now. And as far as the mascara, I never put these in the trying all the things because mascara is such a plentiful thing in all these boxes. So everything is really nice, but it's not. This is why I didn't skip this box. Yeah. Although this is also something that was worthy of me not skipping the box. So anyway, it's not the greatest box on earth, and as far as I could find, we aren't choosing anything for July, so I'm just hoping for the best. And anyway, I hope you enjoyed this super fast video about the Allure Beauty Box. I did subscribe for a year. I know there's some link somewhere on the website that I could put in my description, but I think it doesn't get you very much, so it's like hardly worth it. There are a lot of people who have a subscription link. I might add it in the future, but for now I don't have one. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you get this box, let me know which one of the Christophe Robin items you picked, if you picked one. And, you know, anyway, thank you very much. I'm going to cut this off because I got to get in the shower and we got to get going. So anyway, real quick video. Have a beautiful evening. Good night.